Okay, this trading lesson is all about looking at where a stock has just come from before taking an entry, and then trying to put yourself in the mind of the crowd that's involved in the stock. These are 5-minute candles from Humana today, the opening candle right here. Interesting setup here, and worked really well in our chat room. You notice around noon this hit a low of 45.14, okay, worked its way back up and then kind of did one of these hard sell-offs. Okay, but the thing to look at, you know, a lot of people try to make easy money when they see it breaking the low of the day, 45.14, okay, and they see it coming down here, coming down hard, big volume, and they try to make easy money shorting this as it breaks the low of the day, okay, 45.13, oh, this thing, you know, the bottom's dropping out, let me short it right here. It's the same as a stock that's run pretty far and then breaking its early high of the day. It's usually not a good idea to do that, and Humana is a great example of that. So when I saw Humana breaking through the lows of the day, I told everybody in the chat room, look where this has just come from. 45.69, okay, all the way down to 45.13 by the time it breaks a new low of the day. So it's already fallen 56 cents pretty quickly. I mean, these are 5-minute candles, so it didn't take very long. Do I want to be the guy to short this at 45.13 after it's just made a move in that direction from 45.69, okay? It's just fallen 56 cents. Do I want to be the guy to short it right here? And this is exactly what we were trying to fade. We said, you know, let's watch for a low-risk long entry here rather than try to short the low of day break. Easy money is rarely made in the market. So if you can kind of put your mind in where different traders are on any given stock at any given time, I think that'll benefit your trading down the road. Now let's scroll out further and show you the rest of the day's trading. Okay. Remember, we were looking to go the other way. When we saw this break the low, we saw how far it had come down. So we took it as it broke the first break of a previous 5-minute candle's high. Once it broke through that low of the day, our entry call was 45.17 right here. Worst case stop, you always have to have a line in the sand, 44.97, so 20 cents below. In other words, if it hit 45.17 and just rolled over, this would have been our line in the sand. But we never really had to look back. As it just really climbed for the next 30 minutes, went sideways a little bit and ended up going all the way over 46, again on 20 cents risk, and almost ran $1. So the moral of this little short trading lesson is always look at where a stock has come from before entering any trade, because sometimes shorting a low of day break seems like easy money, and if you have a tight base that's been basing at the lows all afternoon, then shorting the low of day break might make sense because you can put your stop right above that base. Okay. But in a case like Humana, in my opinion, you should always be looking for a possible entry the other way. All right, we're going to wrap this up, and we'll talk to you soon.